Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at AutoDS prices for Facebook. Basically, we have three plans. I'll show you the best one, and also I'll show you how to get the best price, how to make your trial period longer than you can get. So basically, we have import 200, 400, and like 100 plan. If we're going to pay annually, we'll receive these prices like $20, $35, and $55 per month. If we'll pay monthly, we'll have to pay more. So if you want to use it for a long time, I definitely recommend you to use annual payment if you can do this, of course. And on the import 200, we have this feature like we can import up to 200 products. Product research tool we'll get draft manager, product image editor, smart filter system, supported suppliers, extension, one-click draft creator. And what's like really cool is that on the next plan, if you're going to pay like a little bit less than twice more, we'll get Facebook shop solution, multiple stores management, which is pretty cool, VA assess supported, and VIP support, which is pretty cool. So as for me, the best plan for AutoDS on Facebook is of course starter 400, which is like more popular. If you have a huge store, if you want to import more products like 800, of course advanced is for you. But as for me, I definitely recommend you to use it on starter and then upgrade it to advanced if necessary. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and also if you want to get the best variant of AutoDS, go down below at the description. You'll find the link, just like an affiliate link. You'll get 1 month of AutoDM for free instead of only 2 weeks. So this is the best option to get AutoDS to start using it. Just simply create an account and start earning your money. Goodbye.